Have you been banging your head against the wall trying to get a classic SharePoint event list calendar to export a particular month or a date range? Well, bang your head no more. We're going to show you how to make it happen. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.
Tell you what, let's make it a challenge. If I can do it in 60 seconds or less, show you how to do it, then you have to hit that like and subscribe. Let's get the timer rolling. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to that calendar tab here, and you're going to go click on create view, then create yourself standard view, and you're going to go in there, you're going to name that bad boy. We're going to try and grab February. Okay, we want to grab February 2025. Alright, so we're going to scroll. We're going to go down to the filter. We're going to say only show items where start time is greater than or equal to, and we're going to say first day of February 2025, and we're going to say and start time is less than or equal to last day of February 28, 2025. And we're going to scroll to bottom, hit OK, and then we're going to see we get right there, is this a manufactured holiday? February 14th. I don't know how that got in there. I have no idea how that happened. You type that. It's terrible. Did we do it in 60 seconds? Can we get your like, subscribe, bell notifications so you can know when more videos come out? So now let's slow it down a little bit and let's talk about what's going on here and why we even need to go through this madness, okay? So I made a video on how to export calendar items, right? I think my main focus was on, going like to all events, right? Just going in and switching to all events, right? And it's going to show everything on this calendar, no filter. And then you go to list and you can export and you get all the stuff. But what if you want just a single month? Okay, well, just go back to the calendar, okay? And we get a single month and we go, let's say I go to February. If I export this, so we see February right there. Let's go export this. All right, export to Excel. Let's say okay. Yep, we're gonna do this, do that. Yep, and then we're gonna take a look here. We want to know. Well, here. Yeah, see, it shows stuff from January here. Well, that's no good if we want to get February. That's when we have to go create a filtered view and then export that filtered view. So how do we do that? We go into our create view dialog here, and you could go standard view or base it off of the all events if you wanted to. But we're going to go standard view, and we're going to go name it February 2025 just to keep the naming different. And then we're going to go down to the filter, and we need to find out what filter we're going to use here. In this case, we're going to filter off of the start time, and we'll say is greater than or equal to whatever we want that first day range to be. So in this case, we're saying February 1st, 25, and then we want to encapsulate that. So we need to get everything that is less than or equal to the last day. We hit OK, and we've got just that one item, and now we can go to list, export, you get the rest. So there you go. Hopefully that helps, and if you find any value at all, please like, share, subscribe, and remember, do the best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup